Hey, the St. James Cheese Company is open for to-go orders. This is a CVS pharmacy. It used to be a grocery store. Over here, been to this place over here called La Crepe Nanu. Good crepes. I believe it's on Robert. We just passed Robert Street. Yeah, it's on Robert Street. It's called La Crepe Nanu. And here you see the Creole Creamery with the Mackenzie's. The Mackenzie's storefront logo still on. They're open. The ice cream shop is open, guys. They might make you wait outside until homemade ice cream right there. That's good, guys. Check it out. They're called the Creole Creamery. Paran's Po' Boy's Uptown shop. Huh, they used to be. I didn't know they had Paran's Uptown. I knew the original Paran's is in Metairie, actually, I believe. That Paran there is new. Paran's Po' Boy shop. Uh-oh. Oh, and here's a good little restaurant over here. It's called the Upper Line. Over here, right over there, it's called the Upper Line. It's on Upper Line Street, believe it or not. Nice blinker if you're turning, buddy. Nothing but cakes. Oh, my wife loves that shop. I think they got one in Lakeside Mall. Little bundt cakes. They have little small bundt cakes. Oh, I don't recall this place. It's called Zara's Little Giant Supermarket. I don't recall that place at all. As Liberto looks like a cleaners. Yeah, it says Liberto Cleaners. Lee's Alterations. Alteration shop's always next to the cleaner shop, or part of it, it seems like. Now in the 4800 block, guys. I don't want to get under that tree. I don't want to get run over either. It's really shaded over here. Mostly oak trees. Looks like a magnolia tree here. But most of them are oak trees. Oh, a pine tree. Pine trees are nasty. I hate pine trees. All they do is go straight up, and hurricane comes, they fall. Oh, look at that. That's cool. I wish I knew how many blocks it was in Napoleon, because I don't know if I want to leave the camera running that long. If it's a ways off, I don't, you know what I mean? Let me pull out my trusty GPS and see how many blocks we are. Oh, it's only 2 to 3 blocks. Yeah, 3 blocks of Napoleon Avenue, guys. So I did make it. Henry Clay to Napoleon Avenue. I walked in what? 19 minutes. I mean, I could have walked a lot faster, but I'm trying not to get out of breath, and I'm sure y'all want to hear my great narration. Valence Street. I don't know if I just got a notification that says battery getting hot, or something getting hot, overheating or something. So if it cuts off, it's not because I don't like y'all, it's because my camera's going to overheat. Filming in 1080 for so long. It's 20 minutes yet. Right at 20 minutes. So you definitely could walk it if you have a nice little pace from Henry Clay to Napoleon Avenue. That red light up there is Napoleon Avenue. So you definitely could walk it in under 20 minutes. Cadiz? I've never heard of the street. Cadiz. Cadiz. Nice little house there on Cadiz Street. Yep, we're almost to Napoleon Avenue. So I made it. My next video will be Napoleon Avenue to downtown. Napoleon Avenue down to oh great, my phone's ringing. Napoleon Avenue to I can't think of the name of the street. Hello, Mom. How are you? He wants sweet pea. What's sweet pea? Yeah, we make some tea and put some sugar in it. Yeah, I'm just walking, Mom. Doing a video. You can be part of my video. What's happening? Okay, have fun. Okay, love you, bye. Yeah, they're doing a lot of staying at home. Going to get sweet tea. Really? That's a southern thing, I guess. Sweet tea. Kid wants sweet tea, gotta get him sweet tea. What the name of this church is? Guess I should know. But I guess we will find out shortly. This is one of the biggest streets out here in uptown Napoleon in Louisiana. Two of the biggest, I don't want to say north-south, but river-bound to Claiborne-bound. Like they run between Claiborne Avenue and the river. Guess you would say a river-bound street. This is Napoleon Avenue up here. This is the parade ground central. Up in here. Parades start down there, usually line up down there by Chapatulas. They run up Napoleon, and then they take a right on St. Charles and head downtown. I guess I'm gonna find out the name of that church for you. This is Napoleon Avenue. They finally got this finished. It only took about 6 or 7 years. Alright guys, look at those beautiful oak trees. If you like my videos, click the thumbs up, help me out, subscribe if you haven't, and all that good stuff. I'm coming to you live from Prytania and Napoleon Avenue. Prytania Street and Napoleon Avenue. You can see St. Stephen's down there and the other church. Can't think of the name of it. It's not a Catholic church. St. Stephen. Alright, I'll see what this is. It says Sophie B. Wright School. So that's Sophie B. Wright School right there. It's renovated nicely or rebuilt totally. And that's a church over there, which I don't know the name of. Alright guys, peace out. See you on the next video. The next video will be the Prytania Street to downtown. Peace. Walk towards St. Charles Avenue now. I'm going to take St. Charles Avenue back towards my park in Henry Clay in my next video. Alright, see y'all next time. Peace out.